I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Hi guys, everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another episode of our vlog. We're here tonight in Barangaroo in Sydney, so I'm just gonna show you the display and installations in this part of Sydney in this year's vivid Sydney. So sit back, relax, and enjoy while I show you. So this installation is called Somnas. So there's 12 lifelike electronic swans glide across the mirrored water of Malco. They weave in geometric patterns and pirouette gracefully in an hypnotic dreamlike display. Swans have long captured the human imagination, appearing in myths and folklore across cultures. From the shape-shifting swans made of Celtic and Norse legends to Zeus' transformation in Greek mythology, Cygnus bring these timeless stories to life through ethereal, captivating dance. Drifting across the water, the birds pulse through the light, the color shifting in rhythm to the hauntingly beautiful soundtrack composed by Arnold Sebastian. For a moment, the cove becomes an uncanny valley where artificial and organic becomes indistinguishable. Cygnus is what an homage to ancient storytelling and testament to technological artistry, having enhanced origin in Berlin, London, Paris, and beyond. It takes on special resonance in Australia, home to the world's only black swans. Cygnus invites us to reflect on beauty, both timeless and man-made. This installation is called Luminant Trim. From tip to base, each sculpture turns from weather data to on-demand changing display of colors and light patterns, a live data visualization of the environment around you. Luminant Dreams are guided in 6 teardrop-shaped sculptures. These organic forms respond in real time to meteorological data. Now this installation is called Fantasmagoria. So it alleged dominated by digital imagery. This stunning projection pays tribute to the act of feeling, where words speak vivid, fully realized words in your minds. Follow the journey of a little girl as she joins its swirling volleys at the heart of a book. Her adventure unfolds across lush forest, vast desert, and glittering icy landscape as she encounters wild and wonderful creatures along the way. Fantasmagoria immerse you in a dreamy, surreal universe, a celebration with magic and stories and imagination, and a reminder of the endless place they can take us. This installation is called Somnas. Gaze up at the sea of thousand lights suspended above you, rippling with waves of light and sounds as you move beneath its surface. Somnas is your invitation to be part of the artwork you're staring up at. This fluid, interactive installation responds to every gesture and step you make, creating a vector of adulation that transforms the canopy above into a living, breathing work of art. Composed of over 6,000 kilometers LED house and nearly 1,000 hanging light bars, Somnas is a giant feedback loop, like life itself. The surface always in flux. Watch the patterns, lights, and constantly shift and evolve in response to your movement below. The more people interact with the world, the more rhythmic and coherent the sound life becomes, symbolic of the fact that harmony and coherence can emerge from a collective experience. That's it, guys. This concludes today's episode of our vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like, share, comment, bash, whatever. Until our next episode, we'll see you around. Peace, love, rock and roll. Till our next time, I'll see you later. Bye, have fun, be good, be safe. Be the best person that you can be. Bye.